This is a step-by-step video on how to trade on Bitget P2P market. This video is beginner friendly, so don't worry, I will teach you everything you need to know of Bitget P2P trading. Now the first thing you need to do is to have an account with Bitget. If you don't have an account with Bitget, just check the link in the description. You can actually sign up with Bitget. So just click on more. If you click on more, you locate the option that says P2P. Let's look for P2P. You can see P2P. You can just click on P2P and it will take you straight to P2P market. You can actually read some of the pop-up notification you'll be receiving because you are a newbie. Some of the things you'll be receiving there, you just see the pop-up. Make sure you read them. It is easy to understand. Just click on the X button, it will just go. Now this is the first way for you to do this. Now another way for you to do this is to go through the route of wallet. Let's go there right now. Just click on asset. Once you click on asset, you see the option of sports, futures, and margin. You just scroll by the side. You can see the option of funding. Click on funding. Once you click on funding, you see buy and sell. You click on it, it takes you straight to P2P market where you can actually do express P2P. I'm going to be showing you how to do this. But before you start trading, you need to move your cryptocurrency that is on your spot wallet or your futures wallet, move it to your funding wallet. For you to do this, you need to go back to asset by clicking on this button right here. Now you click on asset. Once you click on asset, you find yourself here. Then you click on transfer because as you can see, I only have my coin on spot. I don't have any cryptocurrency on funding. So just click on spot. Once you click on spot, this is where I have my USDT. I want to transfer it to my funding wallet. Click on transfer. Once you do that, this is where you do the transferring process. As you can see, you can actually transfer to different wallets. But in this case, we want to transfer from spot wallet to funding wallet. But by default, you can see USDT futures market. This is futures market. We're not interested in that. All I need to do is just to click on this arrow that shows up and down, the circled arrow up and down. I click on it. Once you click on it, it switches. Now, we want to transfer from spot to funding. Now, on this place that says USDT futures, I have to click on the drawdown and I have to select funding account. You can see funding account. I click on funding account. Now, this is what I need. Now, the next thing there is for me to select the particular cryptocurrency I want to transfer. In this case, by default, you can see BTC. I just have to click on it and select USDT. USDT is what we want to transfer. I click on it. Now, this is where I put in the amount I want to transfer. I can click on all, or I can select what I want. Like the way I have $50, I can easily select 30 and transfer it to my funding wallet. But in this case, I want to select all of them. So I click on confirm. Successful. I have successfully transferred my USDT from the spot account to funding account. So I need to go back to my funding. I just scroll by the side and click on funding. Once I click on funding, I could just refresh this. This is my USDT that I just transferred from the spot to the funding account. I could just click on buy and sell. Once I do that, I find myself here. This is the Bitget P2P market. Bitget has two kinds of market. They have the P2P and they have the express. P2P means that you have to look at the person you want to buy from, checking their rating and everything and their prices. Then the express means that you want to buy at the market current price. Now, depending on what you want to do. So let me click on the option of P2P. Now, I'm going to be showing you everything about this interface and how to go about it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to add your bank account. Now, if you want to add your bank account, you will see three dotted icon by the side. You click on it. Now, once you click on it, you see payment method, post ad, P2P management. All of these things are for people who are merchants in Bitget P2P market. So just click on payment option. Once you click on payment option, depending on your country, determine the kind of payment option you are going to be using. Some countries, you know the payment option that is easily accessible in your country. So just click on add. Once you do that, this is where you select what you want to do. You can actually select any other payment option in your country. By default, Bitget will show you the payment option that is accessible in your country. In this case, bank transfer is easier in my country, so that is why they give me the option of bank transfer. But if you know the payment option that works in your country, you could just type it, or you can easily click on this NGN. NGN is my currency. You can click on it and select the country of your choice. For example, if you are from Ghana, you could just type in GHX. You can click on it. This is where you see all the payment options available for people in Ghana. These are all the payment options available for people in Ghana. Select it and put in your details. But in this case, let me leave it at NGN. So let's go back. Once you're done with putting your payment option, you go back. So once you find yourself here, you can see the option of NGN. You can click on it. This is where you select your country currency. But by default, depending on the country you're logging in on Bitget to, they will automatically select your country for you. Now, it is still the same principle. Now, this is where to do P2P. Like I said, they have two options. They have the P2P and they have the Express. Now, the P2P is where you look at people's orders. Look at what they are selling, the price they are selling it, everything about them, their rating and different order type and their percentage of completion rate. Now, you see everything here. Now, the next option you can see there, which is the easiest one, you click on Express. Now, depending on your country, some people can use this while others can't. Now, if you click on the Express, you see the option of buy and sell. You see USDT, BTC, ETH, USDC, BGB, which is the Bitget main token, and also other cryptocurrency you can actually trade on P2P. Now, what this means is that these are the cryptocurrency you can actually trade on P2P market, but the most widely traded on is USDT. Now, this is where you put in the amount of money you want to buy. But in this case, the minimum I can use to buy USDT is 5,000 Naira. You also see the same amount depending on your country. In this case, I can easily put in 20,000 Naira. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is where they do a calculation and tell me from the amount I put in, the USDT I'm going to receive, which is 14.64. Looking at the price of the USDT here, which is 1,366 Naira, is not the same as the normal price of USDT. But don't worry, this is because it is from my country. If you're not from Nigeria, this should not bother you. Just put in the amount you want to buy from. You will see the equivalent of USDT you want to receive. Just click on buy USDT. If you click on buy USDT, you select your payment type. In this case, I will transfer money using bank transfer. I click on bank transfer and I click on confirm transaction. Once I click on confirm transaction, now this is where I see the seller's details. You can see the amount of USDT I want to buy, which is 20,000 Naira, and it's equivalent to $11.79. Now, this is also will be showing in your local currency. You click on next. Once you click on next, now this is where you pay the seller. Now you have to go to your bank account or to your local payment and transfer the sum of 20,000 Naira. In this case, depending on the country you're watching from, you will transfer the equivalent amount to the bank account. And once you do that, once you've already transferred the money, you click on paid. Now, once you click on paid, you are not meant to do anything again. If you transfer the money and you didn't click on paid, your order is not completed yet. You have to click on paid to be able to notify the seller that you have already paid them for the USDT. Now, another thing you will do, if the person didn't send you your USDT based on the time, you can actually message them, or you can actually contact the support of Bitget. Now, in this case, I don't want to buy this. I just want to show you how to do the express purchase of P2P. Just click on cancel. I can actually put in reason why I'm canceling. I don't want to trade anymore. These are some of the reasons. You could just click on cancel. And remember, if you cancel too many orders, you might not be allowed to trade P2P for the day. I think if you cancel 3 orders, you won't be allowed to trade for that day. You trade the next day. So you click on back. Let's go back to the selling. Let's say, for example, I have USDT and I want to sell it to my local currency. I just click on sell. I'll put in the amount. In this case, I have $50 USDT in my account. I could just click on max. If I want to sell everything, it will be converted, and the $50 USDT is equivalent to 68,000 naira. You can also see the other fractions there. Now, depending on your country, you will also see that particular calculation. You can click on sell USDT and you confirm your bank. This is where the bank account you put in the beginning of this video, this is where you select it and you confirm your sale. It is important for you to receive your money in your local account before you have actually confirmed that you have received it. If someone does send you a screenshot of payment, do not believe them. Make sure you log in on your local account or your local payment and confirm that you have received the funds before you confirm the transaction. Because if you confirm the transaction without receiving the money on your account, Bitget is not liable for your loss. So it is important that you have to wait until you receive the money on your account before you confirm the transaction. In this case, I don't want to do this. I just need to click on the X. So I just want to show you how to do the main P2P. Now you see some options right there, which you click on this. This is where you can actually go on a tutorial. Bybit can also teach you how to do this. The next option there, if you want to click on alert. Now this is where you set price alert depending on your country and the price you want to buy USDT at. Mostly this is very beneficial for people who are merchants. Merchants are people who buy and sell P2P on Bitget platform. The next option there is you click on history. Now this is where you see your transaction history in Bitget, all your cancel order, all your completed order, all your buy and sell orders. You can see the 3 orders I've done so far on Bitget are all cancelled. Now this is me trying to teach you guys how to do P2P transaction. Let's go on back. Let's click on the P2P. Now this is where you select individual you want to buy and sell from. Now you can see the option of USDT. If you click on it, this is where you see all the cryptocurrency you can actually trade on this platform. Now you click on limit. Now this is where you put in the estimated amount you want to buy or you want to sell from. Now, it's so simple. This is where you put in the estimated amount. Let's say, for example, I want to buy USDT worth of 10 million. I could just put in 10 million. Now this is 10 million. I could just click on confirm. Now what this means that Bitget will show me people who are selling USDT at 10 million and above. In this case, nobody is selling 10 million. So I have to click on it again. So let's select 5 million. As you can see, I saw 2 people selling for 5 million, which is this particular person and this other person. Only 2 people are selling for 5 million. This is where you can easily put in the amount you want to buy. People selling at that rate will be shown to you. Now, this also happens depending on the country you are searching from. You can actually see different things there. This is where you put payment method, but you don't need to bother about this. Just leave it at all, but just don't worry to put it at all. The merchant, you don't need to take it. Now, if you've already selected people you want to buy USDT from, very simple. Just do the same thing that we did when we are on the Express. Just click on it. If you click on it, this is where you put in the amount you want to buy from. In this case, we selected 5 million. You put in 5 million. So I've put in 5 million naira right there, and we could just click on buy USDT. Once you click on buy USDT, you can see you have cancelled too many orders, meaning that I can no longer buy USDT. You can see, very simple. All you need to do is just to click on buy. Once you click on buy, send the fund to the person using the account provided for you by Bitget. Now, once you send the fund, you have to click on paid. I showed you the paid button. Make sure you click it after sending the fund. And if the person did not send you the USDT based on the estimated time frame by Bitget, you could just click on the chat option and start chatting with the person. You can start asking them questions. If they don't send you the USDT or they are not responding to you, you could just click on support and report the person to Bitget. Do not click on cancel if you haven't received your order. If you click on cancel without receiving your USDT, the money you sent to the buyer is already gone. Make sure you receive your order. Do not click on cancel. So this is how to buy, very simple. I can't trade again because I've canceled so many orders on this platform already. I told you guys, if you cancel 3 orders, you will no longer trade P2P for the day. You can just click on sell. If you click on sell, you can do the same thing. In this case, I want us to sell USDT worth of $50. Let's sell 50,000. Okay, let's put it at 60,000. Let's look for people selling at 50,000. So look at this particular individual. You can see the name. You can see the orders. They have done about 3,699 orders. You can see their completion rate is 99. But you can see the rating. The rating is 47%, meaning that there is something he's doing wrong, that people are not rating him high. But you can see the second person, he has done about 1,000 orders. He has 99% completion rate and his rating is 100%. I'm very comfortable selling to this person. So let me click on him and I click on agree. You can actually read all these things. As a beginner, make sure you read. Just click on agree, click on terms, click on agree. So once you do that, this is where you put in the USDT you want to sell. In this case, I want to sell all my USDT. I click on max. I've already clicked on max. I've already put in my account number. My account number is right here. My account number is right here. Remember where we put in our account details from the beginning. So you just click on USDT, sell USDT with 0 fee. As you can see, I can no longer buy, but I can still sell. Now, I need to wait for this individual to send me 84,000 Naira to my local bank account. Now, I could have shown you how to buy, but I can't buy because I've canceled too many orders. This is where to chat your merchant. You click on contact. If you click on contact, you just type in any message. You can just start, I could just type in, I am expecting. You see what I wrote? I'm expecting the funds. I could just send it. So this is where to message them. Very simple. Now, if you message them and they are not responding to you and they are taking a lot of time to send you your USDT, just click on the support option right there on top. You can see support. Click on support and report the issue to Bitget. So that's just how to do it. Very simple. But in this case, you're not reporting anybody. Now, this is some of the things Bitget will ask you to do. Just, show them that you have actually paid money to the seller, or you have actually waiting for the seller to pay money to you. Just prove a lot. Just answer all of these questions and automatically Bitget will transfer your USDT to you. Or if you have already sent money to the seller, Bitget will transfer the seller's USDT to you directly. Because why? For people to do P2P, they must have the USDT. They cannot sell what they don't have. So let's go on back. I'm waiting for this particular person to send me 84,897 Naira 95 kobo. So it's so simple how to do this. I won't be able to wait for this particular person to send me the funds so we can actually end this video, because I don't know how long it will take him. So I don't want this video to be so long. So this is very simple how to do P2P on Bitget. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will be happy to answer your question. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel.